Exercise 3.5, question number 9. In which of the following expression prime factorization has been done? So prime factorization in which it has been done. So we are going to write, see 24 is there. 2 multiply 3 multiply 4 it is written. As you know, if they are talking about the prime factorization, 2 is a prime factor, 3 is a prime factor, but 4 is not a prime factor. Isn't it? 4 goes in other table also. That is a composite number. So that's why we can say that since 4 is not a prime number, four is not a prime number, so (24) equal to 2 multiply 3 multiply 4 is not a prime factorization. Okay, is it clear? If anybody is having any confusion in this question, they can ask and raise the hand. This is A part. Now let's start with the B part. In B part, it is given 56 is equal to 7 multiply 2 into 2 into 2. So here you can see all the factors we have. All the factors are prime number. Here, all the factors are prime numbers. So we can say that it is a prime factorization. Clear? Because 7 is also a prime number, 2 is also a prime number. That's why. Prapti, your video is closed. Kindly open it. Now let's talk about C part. It's given 70 is equal to 2 multiply 5 multiply 7. Chitra, can you answer this question? 2 multiply 5 multiply 7. Unmute yourself, Chitra.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. 2 multiply 5 multiply 7.
Ma'am, 70.
No, I'm talking about 2, 5 and 7 are prime factors or not? All the three are number factors are prime factors or not? Chitra, tell me.
All the factors are prime number.
So it is a prime factorization. Clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. So we'll write here also again. All the factors are
prime number.
prime numbers.
Ma'am.
So it is a prime factorization. Let's move to the D part. Shubh, unmute yourself, Shubh. Shubh, unmute yourself. 54 is equal to 2 multiply 3 multiply 9. Shubh, unmute yourself, beta. Ishpreet, unmute yourself. Unmute yourself, Ishpreet. Yes. Tell me, 54 is equal to 2 multiply 3 multiply 9. Are all these numbers prime factors, prime numbers or not? Tell me, beta. Ishpreet, unmute yourself and tell me.
Ma'am, prime numbers.
9 is also a prime number. 9 goes in the table of 1 and 9 and Not in any other table. Huh? 9 goes in which table? Tell me, Ishpreet. 9 number goes in which table?
Ma'am, Mama.
Ishpreet, tell me fast. You know that. Utkarsh, unmute yourself and tell me the answer. Yes. Can you tell me 2, 3, 9 are prime numbers or not? Two, 3 and 9 are prime numbers or not? Utkarsh, tell me. Nine is not a prime number. So 54 is equal to 2 multiply 3 multiply 9 is not a prime factorization. Clear? In this way, you're going to do this question number 9. Let's move to question number 10 now. Muhammad Arman, read this question 10. Unmute yourself. Read question number 10.
And my voice is
Your
clear.
voice is coming, yes.
Determine if 25,110 is divisible by 45.
We have to determine that 25,110 is divisible by 45 or not. Do you know 45 numbers? 45 number goes in which table?
And 45 number is
In which table it goes? 45.
5.
Huh?
5 table.
Yes.
Then
In the
5
table.
table.
Yes, in the table of 5, right? 5, how much?
Ma'am, 5 9s are
Yes, 5 9s are 45. So you know 5 and 9 both are co-prime numbers. You know what are co-prime numbers?
no,
I
ma'am.
told you, I've told you in 3.4 exercise about this co-prime numbers. What are co-prime numbers? I told you about it. What is co-prime number? Yes, Aditya Raj, unmuted. Tell me what is co-prime number?
Ma'am, co-prime numbers are those numbers which have only one factor 1.
Which has?
Only one factor 1.
Yes, which has only one common factor. One as a common factor, which has one as a common factor. 5 goes in table of 1 only and 5 only. 9 goes in the table of 1 only, as well as 3 and 9. So if you compare these factors, you have got only common factor as 1. So 5 and 9 are co-prime numbers. 5 and 9 are co-prime numbers. Okay. So 5. So you will be writing here in question number 10, 45 is equal to 5 multiply 9. Okay. Where 5 and 9 are co-primes. Okay. Now we will check the divisibility rule. To check divisibility by 5 and 9, 25110. As you know, the last digit is 0 and what is divisibility of 5? Naman, can you tell me what is divisibility of 5? Naman, unmute yourself. Unmute yourself, Naman, now.
Ma'am,
Junaid?
can I tell?
Yes, beta. Aditya, tell me what is divisibility of 5?
Ma'am, a number which has either 0 or 5 in its one place, it
Yes.
is divisible by 5.
Yes. So 25510 is divisible by 5.
5.
Because at one's place you are seeing there is 0 given. Yes or no?
And
So
yes,
that's why this number is divisible by 5.
5.
Because at one's place you can see one's place, or you can say units place, because it's units digit is 0. And if we'll move to divisibility of 9, what is the divisibility of 9? Kashvi, tell me, unmuted.
Ma'am, the divisibility of 9 is to sum of all the digits.
Yes, sum of all the digits. Yes. The sum of the digits. First of all, we'll find out the sum of the digits.
Ma'am, that is 9.
Sum of the digits, yes. 2 plus 5 plus 1 plus 1 plus 0. That is 2 plus 5, 7.
9.
7 plus 2, 9. Yes, 9. 9 is divisible by 9.
Yes, ma'am.
So we can say that 25110 is divisible by
45.
is divisible by 9. This number is divisible by 9 also.
9.
See, if it is divisible by both 5 and 9, then it will be divisible by 45. And this has already been proved that it is divisible by 5 as well as and 9 as well as.
We can say this as like we do in 6
That's
to
in the same way.
take
Yes,
out the
yes,
6.
yes. Yes, since 25110 is divisible by both 5 and 9, and 5 and 9 are co-primes also. These are co-primes as well as. So we can say that 25110 is divisible by 45. Clear? We have to check the divisibility rule in this in 5 as well as 9. If it works in both, then it will be divisible by 45. Clear? Araf Kulial, read the next question. Unmute yourself. Again, unmute yourself.
18 is divisible by both 2 and 3. It is also divisible by 2 multiplied by 3 is equal to 6. Similarly, a number is divisible by both 4 and 6. Can we say that the number must also be divisible by 4 multiplied 6 is equal to 24? If not, give an example to justify your answer.
Yes. You know what 4 and 6, they are saying that 2 and 3 is equal to 6. That means with the number which goes in the table of 2 and 3, that is divisible by 6 also. You know this rule about it. Now they are saying in this, if we are if any number, if 24 is divisible by 4 and as well as 6, is it possible it goes in the divisibility of 24 also? Yes or no? Let's move to question number 11. You know 4 and 6 are co-prime numbers or not? 4 and 6 are co-prime numbers or not?
Ma'am, not.
No. 4 and 6 are not a co-prime number. So it is not necessary that number 4 and 6 will be divisible by 24 also. If it will be a co-prime number, then it can possible that it will be divisible. If it is not a co-prime number, then it will not be divisible. Okay, just remember this rule in your mind all the time. So we can write, since 4 and 6 are not co-primes, so it is not necessary that a number is divisible by both 4 and 6 will be divisible by 24. Okay. So let's take an example. If I'll be taking two numbers, 36 and 60. Okay. 36 and 60 are both divisible by 4 and 6, but not by 24. If you check it, 36 won't goes in the table multiplied by 36, nor it goes in by 60, but 4 and 6 both are divisible by 36 and 60. So the numbers which you are just checking, please check whether they are co-prime numbers or not co-prime numbers. So it is always not necessary that they will go in that divisibility rule. Okay. Let's move to the question number 12. Utkarsh, read next question number 12. Unmute yourself, Utkarsh. Yes, read question number 12. You're not audible, Utkarsh. Not audible. Zunair Khan, unmute yourself and read question number 12.
Okay, ma'am. Please 1 minute.
Start, beta.
Ma'am, which is page question number 3.5?
Question number 12. Which exercise you are doing up till now? You don't know?
मैम यस हम कर रहे हैं मैम.
हाँ, read question number 12.
मैम वो नहीं पता है मैम उसका. कौन सी वाली पता है एक्सरसाइज कौन से नंबर की? मैम 3.5 वाली नहीं पता चल रही कौन सी. मैम वो नहीं मिल रही.
Ma'am,
Puneet
can I
Anand,
read?
please read the question. Question number 12.
Okay, ma'am. I am the smallest number having four different prime factors. Can you find me?
Yes. So can you find me? I am the smallest number having 4 different prime factors. Can you find me? So we have to find out first smallest 4 prime numbers. The smallest 4 prime numbers, we have to find it out. So Jhanak, can you answer me this question? Jhanak Verma.
Yes, ma'am.
Smallest 4 prime numbers.
Smallest 4 prime numbers.
Yes.
2, 3,
Yes.
5, 7.
Yes. 4 smallest 4 prime numbers are 2,
2,
3,
3,
5, and 7.
7.
Yes. So 2 multiply 3 multiply 5 multiply 7. How much it will be? 2 3s are 6, 6 5s are
210. Ma'am, 210.
Yes, 210. 210. So the required number will be 210.
210.
The required number is equal to 210.
10.
Clear?
Yes, ma'am.